by the way, yes, I did know that Hitler was a communist.
Okay, good. Just letting you know. Okay, so hey guys, it's Cookie Cat here, and welcome back to another video. I'm kind of annoyed because I just lost the footage to a video that I just filmed this video, literally 2 seconds ago. And I'm here with Adorama, aka Torrid, aka Buttwipe. Would you like to say hello?
Hello, and you forgot to announce yourself as Kami Mommy again.
Oh yes, and it is Kami Mommy with here, back with another video. So, I just wanted to introduce the giveaway. I can't speak. The art contest winner. It was Echo right here. I gave them the long wrist that they're wearing. I asked them to wear it, just so I don't look like I'm lying. And they went with this beautiful art piece right here. It's really great, so thank you so much for entering. Thank you so much for entering. That is really, really nice of you. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the wrist. So, thank you guys for watching. I know this was a little short video, but I just wanted to do that announcement. So, would you like to say goodbye?
Oh, goodbye, my fellow comrades.
Bye, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.